Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here today because we're diving into something we all need: easy, cheap, and healthy dinner recipes that taste amazing and won't break the bank. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a last-minute get-together, these recipes are going to save the day. These recipes use affordable staples like rice, beans, veggies, and lean proteins, and they're packed with flavor. This one comes from Rebecca Blanton in California, who gave her childhood favorite a healthy makeover. The best part? You can use whatever veggies you have on hand, frozen or fresh, work great. Oh, and pro tip, double the recipe because this disappears fast. It's protein-packed, budget-friendly, and perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. It's hearty, colorful, and comes together in one pan, so cleanup is a breeze. Plus, most of them come together in 30 minutes or less. Then add your chopped veggies and spices and let everything cook together for about 10 minutes. Pour in a can of beans and a splash of broth and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. That's it. This dish is only 309 calories per serving, with 12 grams of protein and a whopping 13 grams of fiber. If you've got other veggies like bell peppers or spinach, toss them in. This is all about using what you have. Ready? Let's go. So, grab a notebook or just lean in and let's get cooking. First, shop smart. Buy pantry staples like rice, beans, and canned tuna in bulk to save money. Whether you're craving the comfort of a tuna casserole, the heartiness of a chicken stew, or the freshness of a summer salad, you've got options that are kind to your wallet and your body. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're going to try first, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty ideas. Stay happy and healthy. Second, don't be afraid to swap ingredients. Use whatever veggies or proteins you have on hand to keep things budget-friendly. And third, prep ahead. These dishes are great for meal prepping, so you can cook once and eat healthy all week. And whatever summer fruits and veggies you love, think watermelon, tomatoes, or even raspberries for a fun twist. You'll also need a simple vinaigrette, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a pinch of salt do the trick. It's perfect for meal prep to just make a big batch and enjoy it all week. Plus, it's elegant enough for guests but simple enough for a weeknight. While it's grilling, toss your greens with chunks of watermelon, sliced tomatoes, and a handful of raspberries. Drizzle with your vinaigrette and top with the sliced chicken. This dish is only 266 calories per serving, with 26 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. It's light but so satisfying. Before we jump in, here's the deal: eating healthy doesn't mean you need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen. The sweet watermelon and tangy vinaigrette pair so well with the savory chicken. It's such a fresh, affordable way to eat healthy, and it looks gorgeous too. First up, we've got a reimagined classic, a tuna casserole that is loaded with veggies and so easy to whip up. Here's what you need: a can of tuna, some basmati rice for that nutty flavor, a mix of veggies like peas, bell peppers, and onions, and a light dressing to tie it all together. Start by cooking your basmati rice. It takes about 15 minutes. While that's going, your veggies in a little olive oil until they're soft. Then, mix in your drained tuna and a tangy dressing made with a splash of lemon juice, a bit of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Toss it all together with the rice and you're done. This dish clocks in at about 372 calories per serving, with 23 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, so it's filling and good for you. This is so comforting yet light. The basmati rice gives it a unique flavor, and the veggies add such a nice crunch. Plus, a can of tuna is super affordable, so this is a win for your wallet and your taste buds. Next, we're making a one-skillet chicken and veggie stew that's perfect for busy nights. You'll need some chicken breast, carrots, zucchini, a can of beans, any kind works, like black or pinto, and some basic spices like garlic, cumin, and paprika. This stew is so satisfying, and the beans make it extra filling without needing expensive ingredients. Start by searing your chicken in a skillet with a little olive oil, about 3 minutes per side. Look at those colors. Last but not least, we've got a grilled chicken and summer salad that screams fresh and summery vibes. For this one, you'll need chicken breast, some mixed greens. Grill your chicken for about 4–5 minutes per side until it's juicy and cooked through. Oh wow, this is like summer on a plate. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make these recipes even easier. There you have it, friends, 3 easy, cheap, and healthy dinner recipes that prove eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive.